Hey guys, so here I'm making some shrimp fried vegetable rice. Here's the shrimp, nice and clean, and my seasoning mix: parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of Cajun, a little bit of Creole seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of seafood seasoning. And I'm mixing everything together, adding a little bit of oil. Get that mix all together, and now I'm going to fry it. And all my oils that I use mostly is olive oil. So I'm putting the shrimp in. You want to make sure you separate them so they can cook properly. Separate those. Make sure they all have their own space. Start to turn them around, and you only cook them for a couple minutes on each side. I like mine brown. Look at that. Now I'm here making my rice, and this is jasmine rice. I put a little bit of olive oil in there. Now I got my bean sprouts. I love bean sprouts. Cook that a little bit. Then I add the vegetables, the mixed vegetables. Mix that up real good. Then here you go when you add the rice. It's getting there, starting to build up. Put the rice in there. Mix that up. And I add seasoning to my rice. You know, I tasted it, so I add a little garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of black pepper. Mix that up real good. A little bit of adobo. And add the shrimps. Here you go. Look at that. I mixed it up. Add in the soy sauce. And there we go. Look at that. Yes. Looks so flavorful. And this is it, guys. Look at that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you would like to see me cook. I'm down to take any suggestions. Look at that. And it was so good and tender. The shrimps was perfect, flavorful. Thank you for watching, guys.